If you're somehow watching this recording, it means that my logs and research have been found. Yeah, that's good. I'm inside of and using the MRU to get over to Alpha 2. Alpha 2 should have direct contact with the exit of this hell. I just want to get out. All my colleagues were killed by the subject I brought in. Okay. In case I don't make it out, all my documents are attached to the camera and audio recorder. Alpha 2 is only 5 kilometers away. Roughly a 20-minute run for me. Jack can do it in 12 easily. Oh. No. I'm turning up the MRU's lights. I can't see a thing. Switching to backup battery. Come on. Come on. I just lost the front right wheel compartment. There is no time for repairs. Those things are going to be on top of me any minute.